This 2017 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 26B is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Myers, FL 33908 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 26B is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.